Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. So today I'm gonna cook some fried chicken wings. So first of all, this is not a sponsored video. These brands have not been sponsored or anything of such. These are just items that I have in my kitchen which I normally use. So first we're gonna start off with some chicken wings that I have a bowl here that has some vinegar in it already, and I'm gonna fill it up. I'm gonna take the chicken wings out and clean all the chicken wings, soak them in there for a little bit, take out anything that's not supposed to be on the chicken wings. So I'm gonna do that shortly. And over here I have some cornstarch, and these are some spices I'm gonna be using. We have some garlic powder, we have some black pepper, pink salt, and smoky paprika. So I'm going to take these things and I'm going to mix it in with the cornstarch. Oh, you guys, I'm sorry, but I do not measure. So I kind of just eye everything. Put some black pepper here. Some paprika. I like the smoky paprika. This is the one that I like. And I'm gonna go ahead and put in the salt. I like pink Himalayan salt, guys. So I'm gonna take all of this and mix it all up. And once I have all the chicken wings all cleaned and washed, I'm gonna roll it in here and then I'm gonna fry. Alright guys, so we have some clean chicken wings, which we're going to add some salt. Paprika. Garlic powder. Black pepper. I'm going to mix it all up. Alright guys, so the chicken wings looks nice and brown. So I'm going to take them out. Notice I'm using a totally different utensil with the cooked chicken than with the raw chicken. Because you don't want to contaminate your cooked chicken with the raw chicken stuff, okay? The raw chicken, it's good to be clean, you know, prevent you from getting sick and all of that. And I'm going to put it on this wire rack. I use this wire rack also when I'm baking cookies and you're letting it cool. The reason being is because you don't want to waste your time frying all this chicken and you want it to be crispy, and then it gets soggy again if you put it on something that's covered or like on just some paper towels. You want to keep the crisp, and you get that crisp by keeping air flowing through the chicken. So I learned that from my Uncle Willie. So shout out to my Uncle Willie for teaching me that skill. So you got some nice good fried chicken wings, and I'm going to fry the rest. Alright guys, so we're going to start with the sauce. So in a pan I have some butter that's melting, and I am going to whisk it together. Let it melt. And then I'm gonna add my favorite hot sauce, guys, which is Crystal's. You can use whatever hot sauce you like, but this is my favorite. And we just whisk it together. Now, I like my wings pretty like vinegary. I love that vinegary taste to my wings. Some people like their wings sweet. I always like, growing up, I always tend to like vinegary things, so that's just me. Some people will add brown sugar to this or some ketchup. If you like it sweet, go ahead and go for that. But I like to keep mine simple. And then, now once that's all melted, I'm going to go ahead and add my white vinegar. That's going to give it that tang. Now, some people like all their chicken wings, you know, with the sauce. Some people don't like all their chicken wings with the sauce. So I'm just going to do some with sauce and some without. So now I'm going to take some of my wings that I just fried right here. See, they're still nice and crispy. And I'm going to roll it all in there. You don't want to keep it in there too long because you want to keep that crisp. And then I have a plate of some celery and some ranch. I'm going to go ahead and plate these wings up, guys. And there you go. Voila. Then you have some crispy ones, and you have some that is in my special sauce. Well, there you have it, guys. There's my fried chicken wings recipe. Please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I hope you like this video. I'll see you again next time. Let's eat, or in Tagalog, kain na tayo.